Speed, distance, and time, what we need to know. For today's lesson, you are going to learn how to calculate speed, distance, and time. Let us begin for the first example. I traveled from Kansas City to Pasay City at an average speed of 60 km per hour for a total of 2 hours. How far did I travel? Here we ask, how far did I travel? Which means to look for the distance. What is a distance? Distance is the total length between two positions. The units of measurements for a distance can be kilometer, meter, centimeter, or millimeter. Now, to solve for a distance, simply need to multiply the speeds and time. Now, let's go back and solve the problem. Again, to solve the problem, we need to multiply the speeds and time. Here our problem. Speed is 60 km per hour and the time is 2 hours. Now, let us solve. We have 60 times 2 is 120. Okay, recap. Now, what could be a unit for measurement? Now, we can already consult the unit of time, which is R divided by R is 1. Now, we can simply cancel this and we use kilometer. Therefore, I travel 120 km. Now, let's solve another example. Okay, now, let us calculate the distance you would travel a few hours drive. For 2 hours at 70 kilometers per hour. Again, to solve for a distance, we are going to multiply the speed and time. Here the speed is 70 km per hour, while the time is 2 hours. Now, let us solve. Let us multiply 70 and 2, and that is 140. And let us cancel the hour. And now, unit can be kilometer. Therefore, the distance is 140 kilometer. Great job! And let's go for the next problem. Okay, a motorcycle travels 150 km in 3 hours. Find the speed of the motorcycle. Okay, this time, we are looking for that speed. Now, what is speed? Okay, speed is a scalar quantity that refers to how fast an object is moving. For example, 150 km per hour. The units of measurement for the speed are kilometer per hour, minutes per seconds, centimeter per seconds, and millimeter per seconds. Now, to solve for speed, we simplify need to divide a distance by the time. Now, let us try to solve a problem. Okay, again, to solve for the speed, we simplify going to divide distance by time. Here is our problem. Great job. 150 km and the time is 3 hours. Let our solve. 150 divided by 3. Wonderful. It is 50. And the unit of measurement would be kilometer per hour. Therefore, the motorcycle traveled 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, next. A car traveled 252 kilometers at 72 kilometers per hour. So, how many hours did it travel? Okay, this time, you're looking for the time. What is the time? Okay, time is the measurement that tells the duration of an event or how long does it takes. For example, 4 hours. Kaya the unit measurement of the time can be hours, minute, or seconds. Okay, to solve for the time, we're going to divide distance by time. Okay, now let's go and solve our problem. Okay, again, to solve the time, we need to simply going to divide distance by speed. Here in the problem, the distance, wonderful, it is 250 kilometer and the speed is 27 kilometer per hour. Now, let us solve. 252 divided by 72 is, it is 3.5. Since we have 2 units of kilometers, here we can simply cancel because kilometer divided by kilometer is 1. The remain units is hours. Therefore, the car traveled 3.5 hours. Thanks for watching. Next time again.